Welcome back. Cleaning up disk drives out of laptops. Going after the boards. The gold. The iReader. And the cast aluminum. And some of these are glass and some of these are aluminum. So, and then also a little bit of gold right there. A little bit. Comes off the pins maybe. So, I did a bunch of these the other day. And then the next, that was, let's see, on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, Irish did a small live on Wednesday, taking apart the same things. I'm like, and if you're watching Irish, you can use this kind of set. He has one, and then I found this one. And what I like about this one, it goes all the way. It's for Torx. Security Torx. They go all the way down to 4 T4. Because this other set that I ordered, but I didn't know at the time, which is a good set. They're 6 inches long versus those are 3 inches long, but this one only goes down to a T7. So it's pretty much useless for for what I'm doing today. Ow. You know, it's a good set. And the price is fair, so, you know. Oh my heavens, and we have Scorpion got this set along about a year ago from another YouTuber's affiliate link. And then somebody didn't know what they were doing, wrecked them. So I said, don't worry, I'll get some more. So, actually, I'm not even sure if this is the right size because some of these do vary. Yeah, so we're back to the T4. Sometimes it's T5 and sometimes it's T6. They just can't keep it simple. Everybody's got to be different. Let me see where I'm at here. And now it spins. It's got to be, well, actually, got to go slow on the trigger. Okay. Let's see if I can get this down just a little more. I lost my counterweight, so now when I extend the phone out too far, it will try to tip over. And now I'm not even in the right bed. Bear with me. Bear with me. What's that? T6. It should be T5, like I was telling Scrap and Irish the other day. Oh my goodness. Oh lordy. T6. T6. Sure. Let's pop this neodymium magnet off. Right in the shred. Yeah, at one time you could sell them on eBay for crazy money. That game's long over with. Everybody knows that deal. Now, I got a bad reflection. I don't see no slot. Sometimes these have a straight. Oh, right there. That little screw is what's hanging on to it. There's the iReader. There is gold. You can sell these board sort, but we're hoarders. So, got the readers from DVDs, and then I have the eye readers for these, and the larger ones. Alright, another magnet. Is there a screw hanging onto it? Right there. Right in front of me. And there's another one. Man. See, I gotta bring that light down. It's too high up. It's good for light dispersion out, but down here on focus land, for me, ain't no good. It doesn't work for me. Isn't no good. Keep that little bit of, where you at? Where you at? That little bit of gold. Yes, it's a little bit. It takes lots. Other than the motor right here, which I can't do at this table, but I do have. I can show you it. But I take some random scrap piece. I put this, clamp this down in the vise. I'll stick that right on there. I either stick it this way or stick it that way. Smack it one time with a hammer, it pops right out. Works good. Oh look, oh look. I just found more. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Great. I thought I was almost done. I just found another 25 more. So that goes in the bin with the rest of the aluminum. At some point when I get to the shop, I'll worry about it then. Gotta be careful with the fingers. I see that looks like it's stripped out. Maybe I should just get a headlamp. Maybe that's what actually that came out. Maybe I should just get a headlamp so I can see better. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I need new glasses. I don't know. Now this board, the security bit, let me see if I can find it for you. It's like rounded. And I've put every one of these, I've tried all these different varieties. Neither, I guess I don't have it. I don't know. You ever seen that before, Irish? Or Scrapmaster? The Scrapmaster. Can you not focus in? Right here. So, we'll set that one off to the side. And this one, I don't see nothing in it, so it should pop. It should pop open. Oh my heavens. Wow. Come on now. Oh, no, there's no, is there a screw right there? Yep, there is. There's always one right in front of me. Now, which one are you? I say there's nothing in there. Oh wow, it just looks like it. So, let's go back to the big screwdriver. Well, bigger than this piece. I'm always afraid I'm going to bend it, so it's good to get started. All right. No stick. Should be aluminum. Oh, now, see, this reader has a screwdriver slot. Slot head. now we're back to Phillips. Man, that is small. Man. Oh, that's why. I got the wrong bit in there. My bad. I'm telling you. 1 second. Technical difficulties. What's this? No stick. Aluminum. Little bits, little bits. Alright, where are we at here? Right here. Get this magnet out. Magnet gone. Plastic trash. Hey, there we go. Does got some gold fingers on it. More for the processing later date. Now a lot of these are glass. Sometimes they're aluminum. That one didn't shatter, so I'll have to pick it up because it's in the wrong category. But that's alright. I generally throw them in the shred. I try to throw them kind of hard. That's always going to be aluminum. Ha! Then again, I can't be wrong. Most of the time they are aluminum. It was pretty perfect, I'd have to say. But on the disc, a lot of times they're glass. Even though they look like they're aluminum. Throw them down into the shred bin. Make sure you're not standing over it because you don't want that glass flying back in you. And if they bounce all around in there, do it again because sometimes they don't break. And if they don't break after a couple times, well, then I would assume they're aluminum and they go in the aluminum bin. They're just glass with that coating. So the eye can do what the computer stuff does. Because I'm not to take it apart. Ask me what it does. I'm not up to date on that program. Okay. So let me pull out one of these that has a board. No board. Ooh, that's an old one. That's got gold pins. That's much better than what these have. So if you were going to sell this to board sort, you'd get more money because of the gold pins are exposed. And these are totally different quality. Yep. That's all I got. So we'll open this one up next. And well, there's nothing in there. Yeah, I definitely need to get a headlamp. Or a magnifying light, maybe. We'll get it. It's a pain when you're trying to do a video. I'll be right back. Alright. I believe we're good. Turns out it was a T4. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's got a gold band crystal oscillator. Where are we at right here? Nice. For those that are into the whole micro scrapping and gold recovery. Oh, my knee. Oh, man. Alright, well, we have a screw right here. Okay. Move this tape. Should be a screw underneath it. Just because I want to make sure I have the right one. And I do. Generally, we can hit them blind and you'll find them. How's it? It's going to be one underneath here. Yep. There's always one hidden underneath the plastic. There she is. Forgot to look to see what size it was, but oh well. We're not a resale or a recycling. Oh, what am I doing here? I thought there was tape there. Still got a screw hanging in there. Be careful, it will cut you. Shred. Oh yeah. Nope. Yep. Hey, you know what? I wonder. Nope, doesn't fit. Oh, man. That's all right. Where am I at here? Oh, the platter. Really? Oh, I hope I didn't strip it. Oh, man. I want to grab the wrong one. Let's see what happens. Didn't break. Let's try again. Unpop the cup. Something in there. Ow. Okay, get rid of this magnet. That goes in with the gold recovery. See the gold. Kappa. All right. That one broke. I don't know which way. Well, I have to come back to that one. There's always a difference. Well, if you made it this far in the video, thanks a lot. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more. This is what I'm doing for Sunday until Everyday Solars and Scrapping Irons come on. Check them out. God bless. Take care.